It is, what is it, Thursday? You hearing things? You being awfully jumpy, ma'am. We're sitting out here enjoying a cup of coffee this morning. I feel like if I made Zoe a cup of coffee, she'd drink one. Are you my baby? Oh my God. Okay, so we're gonna get some cleaning done today. You guys, this is about to be the most cleaning I've done in a long time. I have just not been motivated to clean lately. It has nothing to do with YouTube. It's just, sometimes I don't like cleaning. I'm not a fan, so. But I have to, someone has to. So I'm gonna get the house cleaned up. I gotta clean out the fridge, the pantry. We have a huge grocery order coming. I'm going to clean my heart out today. Absolutely clean my heart out.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm putting away this massive amount of groceries, and on a typical week, we do not buy this much groceries. This is just one of those things where we were completely out of food, because last week, I did not go grocery shopping. I told my husband, I told him that I just wanted to eat up everything that's in the freezer and pantry and kind of just have a fresh start, but you know, when you do that fresh start, then you end up with a lot more on your grocery list, and that's exactly what happened. And then on top of it, Walmart decided that they were going to be really on time this go around, and they showed up 2 hours early with my grocery order. I was in like panic mode because I had this plan to get up and have about an hour and a half to clean the fridge and the pantry before they showed up. And all of a sudden I got a knock at the door, and I open it and I'm like, wait, what? And I look at my clock and I'm like, this is really early. Sure enough, they delivered my order at the wrong time. I don't know what happened there.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Love you think I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. We'll say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. I'm starting to get used to it. Think I'll survive. I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Okay, once I get a majority of the food put away, I'm going to quickly separate this meat, and I just put it all into freezer bags. That way everything stays nice and fresh until it's time to cook the chicken, and in this case, pork chops. I'm going to cut up that pork tenderloin and make it into just thin pork chops, but I was going to share my grocery haul in this video, and then I kind of second guessed myself because it was about 5 minutes long due to the large size of the haul, and I didn't want you guys to be like, what in the world is this cleaning video with this random grocery haul in here? But it just so happened that this was the day I was cleaning, so then it ended up being either cleaning content or grocery haul, and I don't know. I didn't know what to do, so I just decided to cut it out. But in the future, if you guys would like to see a grocery haul on the days like this, when I do clean out the fridge and the pantry and all that, let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts on that. It always helps me out a lot to know what you guys want to see, and in return, it helps my videos perform well and helps me as well. So I truly appreciate it so much whenever you guys give me great feedback. So please never hesitate to do that.
without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Once I got all the dishes into the dishwasher, I'm going to quickly scrub out the kitchen sink and then hand wash the little bit of dishes that are left. There was just some cups that aren't supposed to go in the dishwasher, but this is like really weird. So I bought these cups from Walmart and I really liked them because they were plastic and they had the plastic straw. But for some reason, and maybe I'm just crazy, or I don't know, but I feel like they soak in the soap. And like no matter how much I rinse them, my drinks taste like soap. It sounds silly. I've never had this issue before, and I've always used Dawn dish soap. I've never, ever had a problem. But these little plastic cups that I bought, it's like they're porous or something, and they're like soaking in the soap. So I decided to put them in the dishwasher the other night, and they're fine. They did not melt or anything. I'm not telling you to do this, but I'm just saying. They said that they were hand wash only, but like I said, when I'd hand wash them, they tasted like soap. So I put them in the dishwasher and they don't taste like soap anymore. So I don't know what happened there. But anyway, I ended up getting these cups because I bought a water tower for in our kitchen. So that way, instead of us buying a ton of bottled water, I could just go and fill up the 5-gallon jug. And that has been amazing. I absolutely love it. Love it so much. I'll link the one that we got below from Lowe's. It was actually cheaper buying it at Lowe's than at Walmart, and I am so happy I got it. I feel like it saved us a ton of money already. Like, I know it's going to pay for itself within a month or two, just based off of how much bottled water we were buying. And now we just fill up the 5-gallon jugs, and it's only $1.27 to fill those up versus buying a case of waters for like $5. All right, so I've been cleaning my heart out for the past like hour and a half, 2 hours, and I just got my order in the mail that I ordered some shorts and a shirt from American Eagle. So it's kind of like a gift to myself for cleaning. But these are the same shorts that I've been wearing. I've been getting questions about them. Not the same wash. I wear the lighter wash, but I wanted the dark denim. I just love the way the dark denim looks. And these are the curvy high-rise shorty. These are size 6. So you can see right there. Maybe like pause it and screenshot it. But if your body shape is like mine, where you're kind of like a little curvier, like right here in the midsection, okay, so my hips are bigger than my waist. So my waist is here, my hips are a lot wider, but I have a little bit of a stomach. So I always have a hard time finding shorts that fit me this way, where my stomach isn't like falling out, that aren't too tight and uncomfortable to wear. So I finally found a pair. I love these. Like I said, they're size 6, best shorts I've ever found so far. And I've been like slowly, oh, I just noticed, look how cute. The little pocket has like little flowers on it. How cute is that? I just noticed that. My other ones don't have that. I don't think. Maybe I just never noticed. I don't know. Anyway, love these. I've been slowly trying to get all the different colors because they just fit me so well, and I've never found a pair of shorts that fit me as good as these, so love those. And then they had a sale where it was 30% off if you bought a shirt, so I got the shirt for free, and it took money off the shorts. So it was a crazy good deal because this was on clearance. I think for like $11, just a plain, very flowy top. So I'm actually wearing that tomorrow to a graduation party. So that's my plan. But let's get back to cleaning. Kitchen is all done. Looks beautiful. I need to clean the fridge, but I feel like that's such a chore that I don't like to do. But now I gotta get all this cleaned up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So sweet. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and tackle this catch-all area by my front door. This has been driving me crazy, but I just really didn't have time to go through and sort through all these tools and things. So what I did was I just kind of had a laundry basket with all of my tools that needed to go out to the shed and be put away. And then the 2 yellow and gray bags, those are actually my dad's stuff that he brought over for me to ship to him whenever I get a moment. So I had to carry that out to the shed. Yes, baby. So once I got all that stuff taken out to the shed where it belongs, I went ahead and swept the floor really quick, and you could see the large pile of leaves that had collected up underneath that stuff. And that's because where our front door is, the leaves like blow in as soon, like any day it's windy, I swear they just fly in the house as soon as you open the door. So yeah, it's just been a struggle forever. But I'm going to go ahead and clean off the table now, and I'm just using the Sprayway glass cleaner, and I'm also going to clean the windows and the door.
I didn't know why you came to me. If your intentions are good, why are you in this hood? But something led me to feel astray. There is more in your heart than I saw from the start. Baby, I feel like maybe you have a touch, pair of wings on my back. Deep inside my mind, you glow like a nova and would never screw me over. Suddenly, your breath is all I want to breathe. My lungs explode when you have to leave. My body can't survive for real. I'm left alone with my insanity. So take me for a trip.
All right, so once I got the living room all cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and sweep the floors. But do y'all see Zoe over there in the background? Look all the way across into the living room. She's sitting on her little ottoman. She's so freaking cute. I got her the ottoman because you know, she always loved looking out the window, but we didn't want to have our couch blocking the window anymore. We liked the way that we have the living room set up this time, and I felt like she was kind of bummed that she couldn't see out the window unless she jumped up there. So I got her the little ottoman, and she's been loving it. So just for all of you who've been wondering about my sweet little Zoe, she's fine, and she finally got her a little spot back. But I'm just sweeping really quick, and then I'm going to Swiffer the floors, and that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I thought I was going to do a lot more cleaning, like I was all like hyped up at the beginning, like I'm going to clean my heart out. And while I did clean and do a lot, I think a lot of the time was spent putting away all them groceries and cleaning out the fridge and pantry and the rest of the kitchen because it was a disaster. So this is kind of random, but I recently had to purchase a new Swiffer because the one that I had, the trigger broke. And you know the Swiffer that it comes with the wet jet cleaner. I feel like it smells so good, and it also dries pretty quickly too. So if you have like company coming over like last minute and you're like, crap, I need to clean the floors, or you just want it to smell nice, if you just do a spot mop with the Swiffer, I feel like it instantly smells better in my house, just immediately. So I want to get some of this cleaner and put it in the Bissell Crosswave. I bet that would work so good. I'm going to try it and see how it works, and I'll let you guys know. But thank you so much for watching another video and being here. And if you're new here today, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed today and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I will see all of you next week with a brand new cleaning video. Bye, y'all.